everyone, so today's video is on ways you're ruining your outfit. Now these don't necessarily ruin your outfit as such, but they're just little things that can take away from the overall kind of polished and finished off look that we all want to have. And believe me, I've made all of these mistakes and I probably still will even after making this video, but I really hope you enjoy it and let's get into it. So the first mistake that happens to me all the time is when the hang loops on your clothes show. These are so useful to hang your clothes, but so annoying when they hang out of your top and get caught on door handles and things and you become a human coat hanger. The best thing to do is to get into the habit of cutting them out as soon as you start to wear something. That way they just can't stick out, because I've tried so hard just tucking them in and they always find a way to just show themselves. But a good way to hang your clothes without them is to use velvet hangers, because the material prevents them from sliding off the hanger. The next little mistake is the string belt loops. These are usually on dresses that are sold with a belt. Now this dress isn't such a good example because they're actually made pretty well, but the almost string thin ones that can just stick out a bit too much, they can actually cheapen your look a bit. So again, you could just cut these off or put a slightly bigger belt over the top of them so you can't see them. They actually only put the string loops on so they can display the dress with the belt on the hanger in the store. So most of the time, unless they're really thick like these ones, they're just not necessary anyway. Number 3 is labels showing. So when you're wearing a sheer top like I am here, the labels can sometimes be visible through the top. So again, the best thing to do is to just cut them off. I'm sure nobody needs to see that. Yes, I can iron my top and wash it at 30 degrees. It sounds very simple, but when you're rushing to get ready, it can happen, and has happened to me so many times, especially when the label at the back of your top just sticks out, or even at the bottom of your t-shirt. So now I'm always double checking before I head out to make sure that they're all tucked in. So I find that sometimes my tops can be a little bit too revealing because I'm quite short, and obviously the v-necks are a one-size-fits-all thing. So a good way to fix this is to pinch the fabric you want joined together and then place a safety pin behind it and thread it through the top and then fasten it behind. That way your top won't gape open too much and you don't have to worry about flashing anyone. Number 5 is all about styling boots and picking the right sock style. So if you're wearing an ankle boot, personally I always find it looks better to just tuck the jeans into the boot instead of having them over the top. I find that when I do this, it just makes my outfit look a lot more polished and put together. Then when it comes to socks, sometimes if it isn't the look you're going for, the socks can look quite distracting with the trainers. So to fix this, just roll your socks down. But another even easier way is to wear little ballet socks. These are so good because you can barely notice them. The next fashion challenge almost is clothes being too see-through. It's always a good idea to check your clothes in the mirror with a little handheld one to make sure things aren't see-through, but the most accurate way of doing it is to actually check close to a window so you can see what your outfit looks like in the natural light, because sometimes the mirror can trick you. And if something is see-through, don't worry, you could just tie a shirt around your waist to disguise it, or even just wear a top that's quite long and can cover you behind. White shirts can also be really difficult too. You shouldn't wear a dark colour or even a white bra underneath white because it can still be visible. The best colour bra to wear underneath is a nude one that matches your skin tone so it looks seamless. Tip number 7 is all about bra straps showing. So sometimes if you've got contrasting straps, it can look pretty distracting. So a good thing to do is to just tuck the strap inside of your top or wear a bra that matches the colour of your straps. And if you're wearing a Bardot top and don't own a strapless bra, you can just tuck the straps into the shoulder area, but even then they can sometimes slide down. So just take your arm out and tuck them inside. Loose threads can be so annoying because they just seem to appear out of nowhere and can just ruin the overall look of your outfit. So just quickly check over and cut any loose ones off if you spot any. for number 9, it's hairs on clothes. Again, these just seem to appear from nowhere, so of course the easiest way to stop this is to use a lint roller, but if you don't have one, you can also just cut off a bit of sellotape and just dab this on your clothes to get the hairs off. You may look like a total nutter doing this, I do, but it really does work. So that is it everyone, I really hope you liked this video and that it helps you in some way. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if it did, because it would make me so happy. I post loads of fashion videos all the time and I just love sharing them with you, so to have your support would be amazing. Have a great day and I'll speak to you all next time. Bye guys.